Welcome everyone to the podcast. Today we dive deep into the often misunderstood world of taxes and their role in shaping a strong and prosperous nation. I'm Kanika and today we'll be exploring why taxes are not just necessary but a very crucial backbone of a functioning society. When you hear about taxes, what comes to your mind? Income tax? Sales tax? But taxes are much important than that. They are invisible force that keeps our world running. Let us understand it with the example of Japan. Japan's extensive transportation is well known for its punctuality and efficiency, which is largely funded by taxes. This not only makes life convenient for millions of people, but also contributes in economic efficiency. Taxes are not just financial obligation, but they are a part of social contract as agreement that in exchange of paying taxes by citizen, the government must provide services to the citizen like healthcare facilities, educational, transportation, communicational, etc. In recent years, there have been many laws passed by government to make tax system more efficient and fair, like Income Tax Act 1916 and Modified Value Added Tax. But unfortunately, only 2.2% of adult population of India are income taxpayers. Think if at least 25% of population start paying tax, then there will be increase in revenue, in economic growth and advanced public transportation, and it will also reduce the burden on the 2.2% income taxpayers. Therefore, we have learned that taxes act as a crucial backbone in functioning society. And awareness toward taxes is much important in developing countries like India. Thank you and have a nice day.